Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is going to be a vlog, and it's going to be a vlog without my face because I was not prepared to get on camera today. Not that I ever look like I'm prepared, but I just watched a video from Secret Soto, and I'll link it down below. But she had went to the emergency room. Um, with, I guess, anxiety and panic. Thought she was having a heart attack, and which is awful. And I'm listening to her video, and this is kind of in response to her, and kind of to you guys too, because I know a lot of you deal with anxiety and panic as well. She was going on, and I know, I've done this a lot in my past where it's like, my son died, and it's like, oh, I'm not the only one going through, and, like, don't want pity, don't want this, or having illnesses, and oh, I'm not the only one. And you kind of like push it to the side and think, oh, there's people out there who have it worse than me. And what I've learned is that we all have something, and we all have some sort of pain or event in our life that we should not sit and compared to other people. I can't compare my pain or my hardships or whatever to other people and downplay them or even think that I'm worse than somebody else. And that takes a lot of growing, and it takes a lot of effort sometimes, I guess, to even get to that point. And it was making me sad watching her because she was just really putting what she went through, I don't know, kind of like to the side, and like it wasn't a big deal. And it is. I've had that anxiety where I've thought I was having a heart attack. That's happened to me way more times. That and panic. That's happened to me way more times than I want to admit. I've had to have Emily and Dave help me out of the shower, and because I thought I was having a terrible heart attack. And you can't control these things. Certain things and situations where I think like, oh, it's no big deal, I'll get through it, are some of the things that give me the worst anxiety. Um, and other things where I think I'm gonna just die going through this situation, you make it through. And honestly, if you sit and think about it, we make it through it all. But I just don't want people to feel like they're, because when you start diminishing what you go through and your situation in your life, regardless of what it is, it kind of, I don't know, we just kind of push it down and we don't deal with it. And I don't know so much that's the best thing either. I don't know. There's been times that I've been very, I don't want to say over dramatic, but, I'm like, oh, woe's me. I can't stand this. Why, why me? Why me? And I still say that, like, why me? Like, okay, it's enough. I've had enough. Let's move on. You know what I mean? Like, I'm ready for the good stuff. But I'm starting to learn the hard way. And I try telling my husband this a lot. It's like, it is true. I do believe in the universe, and I do believe in energies, and I do believe in all that. And it's hard to live by those. But sometimes it's like, if you really stop and think about it, what you put out does come back. And that doesn't mean you deserve anxiety or anything happening to you, but it's like, you do have to appreciate and be thankful for the little things, because those little things will then turn into big things. Um, like I said, I'm not all the way there yet, as I have a tendency to wallow in my own self pity for a minute. And that's okay. I always say, like, look, have a bad day, get over it, and, like, try to do better the next day, or hope the next day is better. Um, but yeah, to all of you out there, and to Secret as well, just don't diminish what you went through or what you're going through. There are so many out here of us that understand and that miss you when you're gone, and totally understand what's going on with you, or have been in similar situations when you think that you're having a heart attack, and it is the absolute scariest and worst feeling in the world. Um, and I'm just sending my love to you and to everybody out there who goes through things, and maybe you don't have, and I'm not saying this is with Secret, I'm just saying in general, maybe some of you don't have the best support systems, or maybe you need more support than what you have, or you need an ear. And I've been thinking about this for a while, and I've talked with a couple people about having live streams for people like us that suffer from anxiety or depression or suffer from um, a mental illness, bipolar, or illnesses in general, chronic illnesses, things where, I mean, more and more nowadays, a lot of people, we find each other, you know what I mean? Those of us who deal with certain things because of the internet. But we don't really have, we have art groups and live streams for art and all that great stuff, and I love it. But we don't have many support groups out there for people who might just be having a bad day and might just want people to say, we hear you, we understand, and we're here for you. Do you know what I mean? So let me know down below what you guys think. It's hard because there are so many people that I really, really, really do truly care about and who just do not live next to me in New Jersey. Um, and I don't know. I've been thinking about this for a while. Maybe, I don't know, maybe once a month, once a week. I don't even know. I don't even know any details of it. I just wonder if that would help us. Um, who may be going through things, and maybe you don't want to talk about it on your YouTube. Or blogs or social media. I talk about everything because I really, that's where I'm at it right now. But I know a lot of people don't, and so I thought maybe if it was a small live stream or group, I don't know. But watching Secret's video, I thought, maybe it would be something that would benefit us. I don't know. I don't know. But go check out her video. It's down below. And Secret, I'm sending you my love, as well as to everybody else out there who may need love today. Okay, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. And I would not even be where I'm at right now without your guys' love, support, comments, emails, all that goes along with it. I just love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.